Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Quran Flow, where we are going to transform your recitation. You might think, well, how am I going to do that? How's that even possible? Well, I'm going to show you that today with a letter that you might think is very difficult, and that is the letter Wa-laḍ. Wa-laḍ. The Arabic language is known as Wa-laḍ-ḍāllīn, and that is because Wa-laḍ is a unique letter to the Arabic language. Now you might say, I'm already pronouncing it correctly, but we've heard students say in a very simple word, the last word of Surah Al-Fatiha. You might hear Wa-laḍ-ḍāllīn, Wa-laḍ-ḍāllīn, and you're thinking, well, how can I get the right pronunciation? What do I have to do? Well, here you go, right here. You want to ensure that you are using the side of your tongue, the side, not the tip. If you use the tip of your tongue, you end up bringing a heavy dal. You want to use the side of your tongue, right here, in conjunction with your upper molar, ensuring that you are not leaving a airspace between. And it doesn't matter whether you use your left side, the right side, or both. Whatever feels most comfortable for you, and whatever brings a correct pronunciation. And to ensure that you are not bringing that wow sound, wa, or you're not saying wa, is you're ensuring that you're using the right point. Side of your tongue, upper molars. And try it with me. Elevate the rear part. The rear part of your tongue, elevate it to the rear of your, or rather elevate the rear of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. So you're going to say wa. Do it with me. Wa-laḍ-ḍāllīn. Very nice. Very good. Imagine you just learned in 30 seconds how to pronounce the letter Laḍ correctly. Make sure you join our program to learn the rest of the letters. You're going to learn how to master all 29 letters in the same manner that you just memorized or mastered the letter Laḍ. Enrollment's currently open. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next semester. See you then. Those two were the most that stood out to me from, and I think probably the most catching, the easiest to engage with. Okay. From my side at least. And I kind of love this, that you guys brought this. I kind of wish that, I kind of wish that this tongue could be my hand. Because it's kind of stuck right here. Yeah. I wish I could move the tongue and manipulate it with my, as if I am the tongue.
Okay. Well, what if you were to, the thought that I had, so what if, can we detach?
Without damaging it?
Yeah, no, I don't, so part of it is maybe I'm thinking to cut this out.
We could stick 4 fingers in there.
Yeah, or 3 fingers maybe.
Yeah.
And then it would allow for,
manipulation.
Yeah, but I think the problem is this: even if you could manipulate it, it doesn't have the reach.
Yeah, I see that.
And so,
whatever happened to that other one we had before? We don't have that.
So I got another one that's similar, but significantly smaller. Right, and so it doesn't have a tongue.
Oh, so it's not a proper showcase.
Yeah. I think it's designed to showcase. I mean, this is all dental product.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I'm thinking that's why it's yellow. They want to show you how we can clean your teeth.
Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, I thought that was kind of weird, but then I guess
that's why they send like that, so they can show you. Oh, look, we can remove all this plaque, all this tartar.
But like, let's say you had a sock.
Yeah.
Right? Let's say we took the tongue out.
And you made it a sock right there.
And we had a sock, and then we just like, does that make sense?
Maybe. I think we'd have to see it.
Somebody has a really brown tongue. He was like, this is the dog, and this is the da, and this is the ta, and this is taco. I don't know.
Yeah.
And this is if you've got, if you're a frustrated instructor.
Oh, that's a BTS, right?
It's like.
All the anime gurus.
There you go.
Yeah. I mean, now that we're done, I feel relieved, but I feel kind of sad. I'm not gonna see you guys anymore.
What are you talking about? You live in Houston.
But when I last see you, the last time I saw you was at our last recording.
I'm saying now you have a reason to come out here.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, I got an idea for a video for Quran Flow.
Yeah.
And then just come through and just use it as an excuse. Or what I'll do is I'll update you whenever we got another production. You want to just hop on in, as a just to observe or whatever.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that can happen. I mean, you have the advantage of being
here.
Right?
Yeah, being local.
And so, I mean, you can't blame me for not wanting to go down to Clear Lake and Galveston, right? Usually it's the other way around.
Yeah.
But like, you're coming to Houston all the time anyway.
Yeah, I work nearby anyways too.
Yeah. So, all right, guys, that's a wrap for us. We're done with the promos and everything, and so now we're going to set up for the podcasting that's going to happen tomorrow. 11 a.m. Eastern. 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 11 a.m Assalamu alaikum.